This is the mall elevator at Willowbrook in Wayne, New Jersey. Which one? UL? It's a Dover. Excuse me. It's a Dover. Here we go. Wow, these DMC-I controllers can run forever. Here are UL. How you doing? Have a good day. Go after on the LL. Go on, close button works. Here we go. Very nice elevator. Vandal resistant. Hands-free 88 code 5 phone. King's 3. That's kind of like Macy's at Ross Park Mall. That also is the King's 3. Go back up to UL. Actually, this isn't nice enough. Let's listen to the elevator room. There goes the elevator. Woo, I can feel the air.